Hi guys, this is video number 2 in my website SEO tips for beginners series, and today's video topic is all about text tags. I'm diving into what text tags are, why you should care about them for your website's SEO, and how to use them when creating your own website or customizing a website template. Real quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm Maureen from thecreativeimpact.com, where I help creative small business owners and entrepreneurs with strategic SHOWIT website design, templates, and business coaching so that they can stand out, sell more, and stress way less about the tech and design in their business. If this sounds like information that you are interested in, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the links in the show notes below to learn more about how I can best help you with your business, website design, and tech. Okay, text tags. If you haven't heard about them, you're not alone. Most non-designers are not familiar with them. So that's why I wanted to fill you in on why these are so important for your website's SEO if you're building your own website. So first, what are text tags? Every piece of text on your site has a tag associated with it. And text tags are basically just commands placed around your text to specify how the text is going to appear on your web page. So when you add text to any website, you will need to decide on the type of text you will be using. Will you be using heading text or paragraph text? Heading text tags are ranked in order of importance from an H1 to an H6. And to get a better idea of this, let's take a look at what heading text tags looks like on a website page. An H1 text tag like this one here should be used for the main text or title of your page, and it should include keywords within the title to identify what the page is about. Now, to make the text stand out, the H1 tag is usually displayed larger and more prominently than the rest of the text on your page or post, and you should only be using one H1 tag per page because this tag helps indicate what the entire page is about, and it helps with SEO, as we're going to discuss in a moment. Then the H2s can be used for headings, like this is an H2 right here, followed by H3 through H6s as needed for subheadings. So this is an H3 right here, and H2 through H6s can be used as much as needed per page. You can think of it like a tagging hierarchy. An H1 tag is the first and most important heading tag in the structural hierarchy of a page or post. It's like our title, followed by your H2, which is like a key heading, and then subheadings like H3, H4, H5, H6 below it. Then lastly, you have paragraph text, which should be used for all the standard paragraph text on your site. As you can see here, if we scroll down, we have some headings, and then here, this is like an H2, an H3, and then here's our paragraph text. So why should you care about text tags? Does it really matter what you use and where? Yes, it does. In regards to SEO, search engines use the heading tags, especially your H1 tags, to index the structure and content of your web pages. So using text tags properly with keywords helps Google and other search engines better understand the information that can be found on your page so it can index it and then serve up the results that are relevant to searchers' queries. So hit the like button if that makes sense. Text tags, they're not the most important part of your website's SEO strategy, but using these properly can really help significantly with your SEO. All right, so when you are designing a page, how do you actually add in these text tags correctly? Well, back in the day, you would need to hand code these with brackets before and after your text like this. But now with just a click of a button, you can indicate this in your visual editor of whatever website builder you are using. If you are using WordPress, you can usually find your text tags within your theme's text options section like this. So if you were using Cadence and you came over here to your box, there's something that says heading. And then here you can choose which one you want to use. Now, if you are using SHOWIT and you want to add some text, let's just make some space here. If you wanted to add a text box, it will automatically have a text tag applied to it based upon which style you choose when you first add the text box. So if you click that you want to add a title, it's automatically going to have the text property of an H1. If you decide that you want to add a heading, you're going to have this heading here, and it's automatically going to have this heading tag right here, and it's going to be under the text tag H2. If you decide you want to add the subheading right here, it's going to automatically come with the subheading and the text tag of an H3. And you can set all of these headings and sizes when you first start by going to the design settings and go to site style. And here you can choose the size of each of these different text tags. All right, you now know what text tags are, why you should care about them, and how to use them properly when creating your own website or customizing a template. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And if you are ready to create your own website that is optimized for SEO, make sure to check out the links in the show notes for some really great freebies and information on how I can best help you create a stunning and strategic website without the stress via my website templates or custom design. I'll see you in the next video.